Selangor State Agriculture Exco. Datuk Ingenieur Izham Hashim was granted an audience with the Sultan of Selangor, Sultan Sharafuddin Idris Shah, on Monday to brief the ruler on the pig farming issue in Kuala Langat. Izham arrived at Istana Bukit Kayangan here at about 9:45 a.m. in an official state government vehicle. The meeting follows the Sultan's statement on January 10th, expressing deep disappointment over the state government's earlier decision to allow large-scale pig farming in Kuala Langat and later in Bukit Tagar.
Tok dah bentangkan semua lah.
Dah semua.
So
Nanti petang saya
akan perincikan isu ni.
Petang ni. Saya nak kena jumpa MB dulu nak bincang.
Okey.
Nanti petang saya akan buat sidang media.
On January 8th, Izham announced that compliance with 11 conditions would be required before any pig farming license applications at Ladang Tumbuk are approved. The move aims to handle the sensitive issue carefully while addressing environmental concerns.